Hi, and welcome to the lesperis.com podcast. I'm Les. This podcast is a short daily monologue that you can listen to. Use it to practice listening to English. Use it to stimulate ideas. Use it for BGM.
Hi again. Good to have you back for the 15th episode of the Les Peris podcast. After our discussion of umami yesterday, we're going to jump into a new topic. Today's topic is invasive species. That means animals that are brought by humans to a new ecosystem. Invasive species. The very name sounds complex and difficult, but it's just another problem that humans have made for themselves. What are invasive species? Invasive species are animals or plants, or perhaps other living things like bacteria, that humans have brought from one ecosystem or environment to another. For instance, humans brought something called the zebra mussel from Europe over to North America. And now there's big problems in the North American Great Lakes because the zebra mussels are an invasive species. And invasive species are very competitive. In the new environment, they can take over and crowd out the conditions so that other animals and plants living there can't survive anymore because they can't compete. Currently, the bottom of the Great Lakes are covered with zebra mussels and other things can't grow there. So many people are saying some of the Great Lakes are effectively dead. There's all sorts of examples of invasive species, like the rabbits in Australia. There's also fish that were imported into Japan for fishing, and some of those fish have really taken over the lake. Invasive species are a problem because they harm the environment and make it really tough for the living animals and plants there, but they also make problems for humans. Either they make problems directly or indirectly. Either way, we have to do something about these invasive species. And unfortunately, it's a really difficult thing to fix. A lot of people have some ideas, but nobody's been able to fix any of these problems satisfyingly yet. That's one more thing we'll have to look into and use more science to find the answer. Now we've come to the end of the 15th episode. Today's topic was a bit technical, but also really important. I think there are some big issues happening in this topic. Come back tomorrow when I talk about owls. Until then, have a good day.